Maraba building materials when? Maraba building materials when? Let me once again say Otito Dilije so. Because we want to start by begging you, in Nigeria today, wherever you go, you have to see a way of appealing to the people. We are here. We'll start by thanking you for the opportunity of coming into your market.
Thank you, sir.
We are sincerely grateful. We thank you. Let me assure you, we are here today as part of our campaign for AMAC election coming up on Saturday. We want you to go out and vote and protect your vote.
That is true.
We want you to go out and vote and protect your vote. Do not fear about their transmission. They can only talk about it if we go away. If we stay there, the vote will count. The vote will be transmitted because they know it can lead to their own non-transmission.
Yes, sir. Yes, that is true. That is true. That is true.
So we need to ensure that we transmit our votes by staying there. We are starting to build a new Nigeria that is possible. That new Nigeria is a Nigeria where people will stop stealing public money. We want public money to be used for public good. No regional government. Let's come together united to stop the stealing of public money.
Yes.
I am to MSA government. Actually, I'm the mother. I took actually ever. Okay, I can't again. I try make it. Saturday they will come and start sharing you money.
They have even started already.
The money they are sharing, chairman, and co. Yes. The money they are sharing you is not their money. It's your money they've stolen that they are giving you some back. Tiny part of it. They did not come with any money. It is your money that stolen that they are giving you some part. Turn it down. That money they are giving you is why there's no school for your children.
That is true.
That money they are giving you is why if you're sick in this country, there's no hospital to go to.
That is true.
That money they are giving you is why there's no road in this market.
That is true.
That money they are giving you is why there's no water. That money they are giving you is why there's no electricity.
That is true.
So it's time to reject it and say, use the money to provide education for our children. Use it to build road. Use it for power. Use it to make sure everything is done. We want to create a Nigeria where if our children go to school, they will come out and have a job. A Nigeria where a child of nobody can be somebody without knowing anybody. That is the Nigeria we desire. So I'm begging you people, start that journey by voting for more. ADC is a party where I'm contesting for the office of the president. And let nobody tell you, I'm not asking you to support me because I'm an Igbo man. I'm not asking you to support me because I'm from Southeast. I'm a Christian. No. No tribe buys bread cheaper. No tribe buys bread cheaper. No religion buys bread cheaper. I'm asking you to vote me because I'm the most qualified candidate. I will assert every day, I will unite this country. I will secure this country. And I'll tell you, I'll start the turning around of this country where we want to create wealth for everybody by stopping stealing of public money, invest this in education, in health, and goodwill and well-being of our people. That's what we want to use the money for.
That is true.
Moses Paul, on Saturday, you vote for him, we will have a new AMAC. And that's the beginning of what I'm telling you. A new AMAC is possible. 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 Vote for us on Saturday, and we begin that journey of change of Nigeria. Thank you, and God bless you.